Most worshipful sir, I present to you for installation Brother Reformo, who has been appointed organist of this lodge.
Brother Reformer, you have been appointed organist of this lodge. You will now be invested the jewel of your office. The lyre is the jewel of your office, and as it is the emblem of music, it should continue to remind us that as harmony is essential in the liberal arts and sciences, which it symbolizes, so should harmony continue to be strength and support of all societies, especially of ours. Then harmony prevail.